Okay. There. A little bit more stability. Always a good idea, especially with this being as big and heavy as a truck as it is. Let's go ahead and get our drain wheeled over here. We got some lights set up. See, pretty much at the height here, so go ahead and make sure you guys can see what's happening here. Okay. These are typically a 15 for Fords. Make sure you guys can see what's going on here. Okay, so we're gonna let that drain for a minute. Let's go ahead and check our new oil. Check our filter here. All right, so for this truck, we have 520, we have 7.7 quarts. We have 19 foot-pounds of torque on the drain bolt. Okay, and I believe our oil is now done draining, so we're going to move on to our oil filter.